my dolls. I am LeeLeeUrsTruLee, also known as LeeLeeUrsTruLee, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and hey to my babies if you are true. You guys, welcome to another hair video. I am about to install this 13x4 lace 26-inch straight wig from Wiggins. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that good stuff out the box, ready to go. I did do some little baby hairs. I customized it to my liking, and I am in love with it, y'all. I'm loving it. I straightened it, but I ain't gonna talk too much. I'm gonna let y'all just go ahead and enjoy me installing this hair. All the links to it will be down in the description box. Make sure you guys check it out. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And yeah, let's get right into it.
Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas, what you following me for? Say no fucking sing along, so girl, what you singing for? Cause we burn like a seafloor, my seafloor, money, more money, big hot keys in the trash, we rolling, we take time, we time class, we have full of girls, and they all so foreign, bring some poison, bring most fun, nice skin chick, first life from rolling, all right, thanks, first life from rolling, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, oh, they loving the crew, oh, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew, yeah. Taking notes on my keyboard, what you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas, what you following me for? Say no fucking sing along, so girl, what you singing for? Cause we burn like a seafloor, my seafloor.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark purple, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it. What you want? Oh, I think I just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think I just put it in the song.
hate to bring you bad news. Throw so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pick, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, you tryna see me knock your socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took her meds. Shit around my neck, it costs her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me preg. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your mans know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas blunt, biggest color rate. Bitches like to run their mouth, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday, bitch. All kind of shit. Made me pull my diamond tester out, you bitch you counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth, they been trying it. If it's deep, then let me know, baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about your coochie, bitch. Pigs like your pussy, we all know that cat is giving fits. When I send that eggplant, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me, better be ready to die. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your mans know if you don't, what's happening?
Okay, baby, so that's pretty much it. All I did was run the flat iron through it. And I know I'm gonna have to do the back again because I really don't be, y'all. When it comes to flat ironing hair, I'm not like the queen of the flat iron, okay? But this is a 26-inch unit. It looks so good. Look at the motion. Look at that. I'm loving it. Y'all know I rarely wear my hair straight, so this is a big thing. But that's pretty much it. I did the baby hairs and I love them. I love how everything turned out. And yeah, nothing to it but to do it. Check the links in the description box. Make sure y'all leave a comment. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.